Hi guys, I'm Shani. Welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Lynn Ngomane. I share business ideas that we can all relate to as South Africans. So today's business idea, it is how to start a kiddies outdoor playground. So I'm going to do part 1 and part 2. Reason being that I want to accommodate the low class and the middle class. So our low class will include the rural areas and the townships. So that is what we are going to do today, which is part 1. So let's talk about the things that you are going to need for you to get started in this particular business. Okay, the first thing that you are going to do, it is to register your business for tax purposes. After you have registered your business, we are going to talk about having a business plan. You need to make sure that you have a business plan to outline all the important information that is required for your business to operate well. So you need to make sure that you have a business plan. After you have now you have a business plan. Now let's talk about the rural areas and the townships. Okay, in most cases, what I have seen in rural areas and townships, you will find that each side can accommodate about 2 houses. So if in your house you've got enough space like that, let's say you've got you have your house and then you've got some extra space that you are not using, you can use that to make your outdoor playground for kids. So what you are going to do, you will have to fence it to actually separate it from your main yard to that playground for kids. After you have fenced it, now we are going to talk about adding some artificial grass, that is to avoid injuries as much as possible. And again, when the kids are playing, they won't get too dirty. So that is one of the advantages of adding artificial grass. Okay, after you have fenced and add some artificial grass, now we are going to talk about the things that you are going to buy for your outdoor playground to operate. You are going to buy some swings, you are going to buy kids slides, you are going to buy trampolines, kids swimming pools, jumping castles, rocking rides, seesaws, costumes, toys, and basketball arcade game set. So some of these things you won't have to buy them, you can design them by yourself. But if you have money, you can buy all this. So I have checked some prices on Take a Lot. Swing starts from 189 rand going up, and the kids slides starts from 1,100 rands going up. Trampolines start from 1,180 going up, and kids swimming pools starts from 110 rands going up. Jumping castles starts from 1,500 going up. Rocking rides starts from 400 going up. Seesaws, as I said, you can design them. I didn't get the price for seesaws. And for costumes, it will depend on the ones that you are going to buy. You will buy costume for girls and boys. And toys, again, it will depend on how many toys you will need, so you can buy as many as possible according to your budget. And then the basketball arcade game set starts from 550 going up. Okay, after you have bought all that, you will set it up on your outdoor playground. Now we are going to talk about the things that you are going to sell for your kids or for your clients. That is going to be your snacks, sweets, popcorns, soft drinks, ice cream, ice pop, juice, soft drinks, fruits, and sandwich. So you can add other things that you would like to sell to kids or to clients. Oh, you can also sell toys as well, because remember, when kids are playing, normally they do not want, they love taking toys. So when they want to take your toys, you can offer to sell them at a certain price. So you can sell toys as well. So you can add other things that you want to sell. Okay, So you will need to determine the price that you are going to charge, or the price that you want to charge per child. Let's say you charge 150 for all the activities, excluding the refreshments and the toys that you are going to sell. So it means that you are maybe okay, when you charge 150, the kids will get to enjoy the trampoline, the slides and all that. All those things that I have listed, they will get to enjoy all of those activities with just 150 per child. So it will be up to you whether you want to do that for like the whole day, or you will separate it into sessions. So it will be up to you. The most important thing that you want to do, it is to learn about kids playground safety, to make sure that you minimize injuries as much as possible. You need to make sure that you avoid injuries at all costs. Okay, you will need to hire 1 or 2 people to help you with the kids, because remember, kids are too much to deal with. So you will need to hire someone who's going to help you with the kids. So to make more money, you can approach crashes to get more clients by introducing fun day. Let's say for example, you've approached 2 crashes and they agreed to come to your place. Now you can have this crash versus the other crash. So that will be on that fun day. That is what they are going to do, meaning that there will be some competition games that the kids can play, and then there will be some prizes that they can win. So the competition games will include the basketball arcade game, the dartboard, and chess games. So you can add other games that you want to include on fun day. But again, okay, that is, you can add that, and then they can also play those other activities or games that are available in your playground. Okay, the prizes to be won, it can be toys and teddy bears, snacks and sweets, trophies and medals. So that is what they are going to win. For the crash and all that, you can also try to produce some certificates for the crash that is going to win. So that is how you can make more money. Okay, so you can operate from Monday to Friday, but mostly you will make money from Friday to Sunday, because remember, most of the kids will be at school during the week. So that is what you can do to make money in your township or in your rural area. So that's it for today on how to start on how to start the outdoor playground for kids. I will see you on part 2. Have a wonderful day.